What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you are having a wonderful Sunday. All right, guys. So I'm not sure what happened with the stream time, but it's supposed to come off at 8:30 Eastern. Anyways, we're here right now. It said it's time to start, so we're going to start it. So this is what we're going to do today, guys. I have a very good agenda planned. We're going to look at Tesla, which I think is one of the greatest opportunities we have in the market right now, especially with everything already running. I'm going to look for a very high chance for Tesla to break out. And I'm going to be just looking over SPY as well. And we're going to do the lifetime Discord giveaway at the end of the stream. So please hang on and stay with me as long as you can. So we have a chance to, so I can announce it later today. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me clear. And then we're going to get right into it. So first thing that I want to talk about is SPY and its correlation with Tesla. Okay. So this has been one of the greatest runs we've seen in SPY. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green weeks in a row. Okay. 6 green weeks in a row is very hard to achieve. You can go ahead and look at any time in the past where we've had 6 weeks of green closes in a row. That's extremely hard to do. So this is one of the greatest runs that we've been a part of. And I'm happy that I bought Microsoft, back in the low 240s. Okay. I'm really glad to do that because that one's been paying me big. All right. Now, however, it's not going to be that easy, in my opinion. And the reason is because everybody is talking about the Santa rally. Everybody is watching it. It's too easy. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be focusing strictly on pullbacks to take more long trades. Okay. I will not be chasing anything. I'll be looking for pullbacks. If we look at futures right now, you could see that we opened right here. Okay. So we opened in the range. We poked out, made a new high right here, just barely. And now we're starting to pull back in. So a lot of chop, a lot of indecision happening in the futures market right now. Okay. So Tesla, however, is something that's been on my mind. So I took calls on Tesla. But if we look at Tesla, guys, Tesla had an inside week last week. Okay. It did not break the previous week's high. And if we go to the monthly chart, it's actually still inside of November's range. And now that is a very crazy situation for Tesla because it's one of the most volatile stocks in the stock market. And it is one of the biggest leaders in the stock market because of its weight in the SPY and the NASDAQ. And I think it's in the NASDAQ, right? Hit me with the 5s in the NASDAQ, definitely in the SPY. So I've been watching this and I took calls, okay? And I'm going to walk you through the call setup that I took here. You could see the last price was around $8.05, up about $200. Nothing crazy. But let me walk you through that setup, okay? So let's go here to Tesla. We're going to go into the hourly chart. All right. So right here, guys, this is the inside month, okay, that's developing. And I'm going to walk you through this. So let's hop into the Discord. Let's go to the stocks Fibonacci Dragon room. So this room is a lifetime access. If anybody is interested, it's $100. You get lifetime access, done deal, plus the book. Okay, I'm just going to put that out there. But let's go ahead and let's walk through this. So I started this room literally not too long ago, guys, and about a week ago. So the first trade that we had was Tesla. Okay. And this was on the 4th of December. And I'm going to walk you through this particular pattern. So the one pattern that I want to dedicate my swing plays to is this dragon pattern, which is an advanced cipher pattern that I developed. So it's a 618 after a 618 or a 618 after an extension. Okay. And what you'll see here is it's going to create 2 wings. Okay. You're going to have your left side and your right side. So let's go ahead and look at this. Okay. Let me just walk you through this one first. So I drew up the wings. You could see I got in at 618. And it went to 660 right away. So right here, long Tesla 240 call, December 15 expiry at 618. Will be a lotto based on our dragon setup, send a fire. So this one actually had a pretty big run already up to 1070, but I didn't get the full push that I wanted. So I'm still in it, just one contract. And let me show you the setup. Okay. So we have, let me just remove this for now. So we have our anchor point back in the 17th of November, which was a gap fill, right? You could see there was an open gap. We filled that gap. So those are always good points to have your anchors on. Okay, and if we go from there, you could see we had this low to high right here, 618 pullback, trade to a 50% extension. So whenever we see that, so this is the first part of the equation like this. Now the end point where I'm looking for is to get long on the 618. So I'm going to go from the low to the full high right there. And there's my 618 entry right here. Okay. So obviously I didn't get the exact low. It actually pulled all the way back to the 786, which can be a second entry. And then from here, guys, we've been in this trade. So the 618 completion is right there. Okay. So I've been in this. So this is what I want to dedicate next year to 50 dragon patterns. And I want to use Tesla, NVIDIA, SPY, QQQ, AMD, Microsoft, Amazon, the big boys. Okay. And we are going to do 61.8% deal options. Okay. I've been finding great success with options using this style of trading because what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm not sizing crazy. Okay. I'm sizing what I'm willing to lose, and I'm giving myself 2 weeks out. All right. This is a big thing that's helped me. One strike out the money, 2 weeks out. I'm going to write the full plan for you right now. Write this down. Okay. One strike out the money and 2 weeks out. Because I'm on the hourly chart, I need to give this at least 2 weeks time to play out. Okay. And it's been doing well. And what I like, I don't have a stop loss. Okay. Because this is a lotto for me, meaning I'm risking almost all the premium. Okay. 80%, 60%, 70% of the premium, I'm definitely risking. You can put 50% premium risk as a stop loss if you prefer. But when I'm hitting these guys, I want to see 70, 80, 90, 100% returns. Okay. And sometimes it'll come back to like a little bit like break even. But that's still, for me, that's still a win. All right. As long as I'm not losing. So 50 patterns is the plan for next year with these big boys. And like I said, guys, that's all in the Stock Dragon Society right there. The Fibonacci Society right here is something new that I created this year. For all of December, I'm doing a holiday deal. It's $100. Okay. It's normally $150. It's $100 with the book. And the book goes in detail. Look at all these trades, 16,000 in profits, covers it step by step. There's interactive broker statements and there's video recordings. $100 lifetime access. Doesn't get better than that. All right. So get that while you can. All right. So that's the game plan there with Tesla. Okay. So let me go back now to the bigger time frame. So what I really like about Tesla too is that not only am I seeing these setups on the weekly, or the hourly, but this is big, playing out in a bigger picture. So these are where you can make some of the biggest gains in trading, is when the bigger time frame is still waiting to break out. So when I catch it on a lower time frame, if the bigger time frame wants to blow up, like if this wants to break last month's high and start squeezing, now all of a sudden you can have those 300, 400, 500% option gainers. But you have to be very selective and you have to get a deal. Okay, you can't be chasing. That's why for me, SPY, I'm going to wait for a pullback. I can't chase this right now. Okay. I need some kind of pullback. Hit me with an 11 if you see what I'm saying. Just got to be disciplined in order to make money in this game. And do not let the emotions overcome you. Have a strategy and stick with it. Okay. Because when the market's going down, guys, that's the best opportunities to buy calls. If you think of a risk to reward perspective. So that's why Tesla is my main focus, because I still see a lot of potentials. And I could be wrong. But I'm already up on the trade. So I'm risking paper gains, okay? Because I can sell. If I lose, I still have a cushion because I'm already up a few $100 on the trade, okay? All right. So that was the trade I wanted to walk through. And just like I said with SPY, be careful, look for the pullbacks. If I go to the hourly chart here on SPY, we have this last little dragon setup here, become low to high right here, or low to high right here. You can see that pullback to 786, gap up, new high. So what we'd be looking for here is this pattern now. Should finish probably somewhere here. Let's move the anchor. Boom, right there. Okay. So I know it's a lot to think about SPY coming all the way back down here, but you really need to have a plan. If it does, what are you going to do? Okay. And for me, I'm going to look for this 618 if we can get it. From a day trading perspective, it's been good. We had this one amazing trade on Wednesday where we took this 618 right here intraday, took that one, smashed it, and a little bit frustrating on Thursday and Friday. The fibs did work in both situations. If I come here low to high, you could see we pulled back and ripped. And in this situation, we pulled back and ripped as well. But unfortunately for me, guys, I was stop hunted on those 2 day trades. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to what's going on because I don't really get stop hunted that much day trading. But I'm just going to make a note and just see if I need to adjust my stops or my size. But it was a little bit sad. So just to show you that in the Fibonacci live setups, this is what we do. We have the bot, we go for the best setups, and you can see it's very straightforward. Filled long, target hit, home run. Boom. That's what I want to see. That's clean. Okay. That's what I like to see. All right, guys, I'm going to keep it short and sweet today. Let's go ahead. Lifetime Discord giveaway winner. Are you ready? Hit me with a 15. I've already selected the person from Twitter. So if you guys don't know, I do my flow now. I've been getting in a really good flow where I'm trying to make gains every week. And I've been pretty good at making gains every week in the last month or so. It's been pretty good. And what I want to do with that is I do a $50 giveaway every month. And I also do lifetime Discord once or twice a week. I give away lifetime Discord on Twitter, on YouTube, I'm giving it away. So I just need your support because what's really been helping me is you guys have been engaging so much with my posts that it's been helping me to get to a bigger audience. And I've actually been getting more followers. Again, I actually got paid $30 or something from Twitter, from X for my content, which is kind of crazy because I didn't even know like that could happen. So this is what I need you guys to do. Make sure you follow the Twitter. And anytime you see these posts that say lifetime giveaway winner, all you got to do is leave a comment. Okay. It really helps me if you also read the guide from Interactive Brokers that I've worked on with them to just kind of like pick the best guides for you guys, conditional orders and futures. And just by clicking on the link, you don't even need to sign up, but just by clicking on the link, it does actually support me, which is kind of crazy. So just click the links if you can, read the guides. All right. Okay. So the winner this time around is my friend right here, Jonathan Brassfield. He commented not too long ago on this, about an hour ago. Cyber Sphinx man right here, Jonathan Brassfield. You're the winner. I'm going to give you lifetime access to the stock room, and they're going to do another giveaway next week. All right. So don't feel like you did not have a chance. There's always going to be more chance. The process is this: you make money, you succeed, you give back to the community, and you just continue that cycle. Okay. You make money, you give back, make money, give back. There's something unique about that. There's something powerful about that. Try it. Okay. The more that I give back, the more success I get in my life. I'm just going to straight up. Okay. And let's just keep it going. All right. So try to give back where you can. All right. Can we get a trial to the spy room for a couple of weeks if we buy the $100 book? Right now, I'm not doing that, but email me, rich@tradingwars.com. Let me see what I can do for you. Okay. At none. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for your time. And I hope you like this one. And let's keep it going. Let's keep it rocking and rolling. All right. Tesla is my my eyes are focused on Tesla next week. And let's see if we can hit it hard. All right. Check me out at tradingwars.com. Like I said, comment, like, subscribe. Maybe the next winner I'll do will be from YouTube. So comment Fibonacci once I end the broadcast right now. And I want you to have a great, wonderful rest of your Sunday and give back, guys. All right. Trust me. Just do it and see what happens. Take care.